Welcome back to another video of Mustache Projects. So this car right here, most majority of you will recognize this car. This is my uncle's vehicle. He came back and I just want to show you after a year how this car looks. I'm still happy with the paintwork. Paintwork is looking super nice. However, and then if you guys can remember that we fixed the section over here. There is some rust forming again here and over here. He did mention this car isn't standing under a carport or anything, it is in the open. So I don't know what to expect, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, he's not bothered with that. What he actually came in for is this over here. Someone knocked into him by a parking lot. So I'm just gonna get that sorted for him. That's all you want. So yeah, I just wanted to give you an update and I'm just gonna fix it quick. started pouring. This is Cape Town weather for you guys, that's why you get rust on the cars and stuff. I'll just show you how my setup is, why it sucks to work here. If you haven't already, watch my previous videos. This is it. This is in the making. This is the next project. So yeah, but I'm gonna have to sort this out. I'm gonna have it's not nice to work in this like this. Leaking all over. Oh, see over here, it's starting to swim over here.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I got all this potential that's deep inside of me, but they hate when you're successful cause they try to be. They sit there being judgmental because you're trying things, and they just want you to settle and do the right thing. So get a good job, don't slack off. Wake up every morning, make a good impression on your boss. Don't do anything that I wouldn't do, and when you're making money, make sure you don't spend it too soon. Fuck that, I'll do what I wanna do. I got a different path from everyone, and that includes you. Who are you to tell me how to live life? In these times it feels like nobody's right, yeah. So I'ma figure out what else we succeed, and then invest all of my time into that and proceed. I need whatever the hell could make me happy, and I don't think you have a clue what could that be. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that could make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. I think this life could be special if I get rid of the devils. They think that I am a rebel, I think they want me to settle. There's nobody on my level. They think that work is too stressful, I think that work is essential. The grind is all in your mental, and I don't think you understand what I'll go through just to be in control of my life soon. All the negativity, man, I'm immune. I don't really need a mask with all I've been through. I've been making changes for the ages, 5-10 year plans, look at that shit, I'm tenacious. And if you ain't, get the fuck out of my way then. Got one life, I won't regret it. I will fight until I get it. I'll look back one day from heaven and say, damn, I learned some lessons. And say, damn, I have no questions. I had fun in every second, and the journey was a blessing, yeah. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing. They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate when I keep dreaming I'll be famous, but I don't give a fuck, I'ma keep chasing.
So you're probably wondering, Musta, but here was a second ago yellow primer on. This is actually NC grey primer that I've added on top of the yellow primer. And I just ran it on with the heat gun just so that the paint can adhere properly to the panel, because usually colder temperatures the paint will either run or it won't stick well. So yeah. that. All sprayed up, fitted the bumper. What do you guys think? It's obviously not polished now because it was just resprayed like a few minutes ago. But yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Let it sit a bit, send it off to the owner, my uncle of course, because he daily drives this car. And don't worry, of the rust and stuff like that, it will come back because this car will be undergoing a full respray. And I'm gonna have to check because I'm actually disappointed in this. So, but now that I have footage, I can watch back what I did wrong, correct it when it comes again. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.